Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to use Upwork. So let's start. First open a browser and go to upwork.com and create an account. After creating an account, you will come to this page. This is the feed page where you will see all the jobs posted according to your interest you have inputted. Upwork is a freelancing site where you can easily get freelancing jobs. Now let's continue. Just like Facebook, here is a feed. On this feed, you will see various jobs according to your interest. After seeing all the jobs, you have to click on the job you are interested in. Let me look for a job. This one looks good. Now here you will see all the necessary information of the job. You can also save the job for later by tapping on Save Job. And you can also directly submit a proposal by tapping on Submit a Proposal. Here you have to set up your terms. I'll select Milestone. And then you have to add a description of your milestone. Then set a due date. Then set your amount. You can also add multiple milestones. You can also select a duration. Then you have to write a cover letter with your proposal. You can attach up to 10 files to complement your proposal. And then tap on Submit Proposal. Mark the checkbox and tap on Continue to submit. And your proposal is placed. And that's how you can use Upwork. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.